So here's my little X-Type. So I thought I'd do a quick little walk around. Again, it is a little bit dirty because it is December 28th and it's 12 degrees outside. And we've got the mud and the snow melting and the roads are a little dirty. So the car's a little dirty. But I took it out of storage today mainly because I wanted to just kind of top up the fluids, get the brakes cleaned up, and just get a kind of an overall on how it's doing there. And again, it's not a show car or a classic car by any stretch of the imagination. So taking it out for a little run every once in a while is no big deal. So I've got the nice 17-inch alloyed wheels on it. I've got the front bumper, nice and clean and tidy. It's got the chrome accents to it. It's a 2004, so it's got that little waterfall grille to it. Whereas if you go into a 2006 or above, they've got what looks like a Bentley-style grille with a little more of a mesh to it. I've got a little Jaguar up on the hood, which I just find funny. So again, I like it. It's got the little sprays for the lights, which just basically throw muck up onto the hood, so I don't use them. It's got little chrome accents on the windows, which are really nice, and it's got the chrome mirrors just to dress it up a little bit. It's got the little door edge guard to it, so it kind of protects against door dings and marks. The lower panels, these are usually an area for rust and corrosion, so I get that oiled. I use like a sheep oil, which is kind of a little odd. I spray everything kind of in there, so it's rust free from that standpoint. Undercarriage gets oiled as well. I just like the body lines on it. It's a car that actually looks like something, which the cars today, they all kind of look all the same. You know, aerodynamic, sharp headlights. A couple of upgrades I've done. I put the LED lights in the back. I put an upgraded headlight in as well, just so it's a little brighter. It's got the little dual tailpipes on the back as well. It's got the little sensors for parking, which I kind of like. They're not intrusive. Again, it's a daily driver, so it hasn't been cleaned up. It's just kind of a little run through. Back seat's got some gear in there. So again, paperwork from work. I got a little bit of snow boots there in the event that we get a giant blizzard. On the inside, I've got the nice little wood accents to it. Old man floor mats. So things that I like about it. I like the gauge design. I think it looks really sharp. I like the little Jaguar logo that's there, all in black. You've got lighting control down beneath. You've got your switches here. And if you do a little bit of research on it, a lot of these components are Ford related. So again, wood steering wheel looks really nice. Got the wood accents up on the dashboard, looks really sharp. I don't have the nav package. I am in a higher end car trim wise, but you would have had to option for that, and that was actually what I was looking for. I like this style. Again, it's got that little aviation feel to it. I also find that the nav packages from 2004 have that real ColecoVision look to it. You know, you kind of got that. It is colored, but it's got that first generation, so it's not really all that great. I've got down below a single CD, then I've got the control in the back for a CD changer, which is loaded up. Again, wood accents down below, looks really sharp. I've got the shift gate to it, which, you know, sport mode. Strangely enough, that actually works. It's really nice. Up top, I've gone ahead and I've had the pillars reupholstered. They were falling apart when I got it, just aging out. At the time, the headliner was in reasonable shape, but it's just starting to bubble up in the back a little bit. It's not from water, it's just getting old and the glue's giving way. So in the spring, it goes to get the headliner done, which is pretty straightforward, not very expensive. Dashboard, no cracks, no weird accents or glue-ons, which is kind of nice. The rear view mirror is an automatic tinting. I like that, so if someone comes up with a big SUV, I don't get blinded out. Seats are very comfortable, and again, that's my little walk around on my Jaguar. I hope you enjoyed that. And again, Little automated lighting. Sharp. So again, I think that's kind of cool. You got the green screens to it. So I hope hopefully that helps you out a little bit. If you're out there looking for a Jaguar X-Type, I don't know, you're probably one of two in Canada that are interested in them. Hopefully this gives you a little direction. Thank you very much for checking out my videos. Have a pleasant and enjoyable day.